Hey guys, supply chain management is getting a major upgrade. If you haven't noticed, supply chain management is kind of a big deal right now. Companies are scrambling to optimize it, especially as the tech scene is heating up. Enter robotics and quantum computing, two game changers that are seriously going to reshape how products get made, stored, and shipped. We're talking about speed, cost savings, and way better performance. Think smarter, faster, and more resilient systems. Alright, robotics isn't exactly new, but it's moving faster than ever. Robots are taking over warehouse floors, manufacturing plants, and distribution centers, especially those autonomous mobile robots and robotic process automation. They're doing the grunt work, like picking, sorting, and moving inventory way faster and more accurately than humans. These bad boys can work around the clock, which means fewer delays, faster orders, and a smaller human workforce. Plus, they're not just working in warehouses. RPA is a game changer for back office stuff. Think invoicing, inventory tracking, and demand forecasting. It lets businesses handle boring, repetitive tasks and lets the employees focus on the big picture stuff. This leads to smoother operations and fewer mistakes. And guess what? Robots help keep things running during COVID-19 pandemic, especially when staff was low, and it was a major win for resilience, making supply chains that can bounce back no matter what's thrown at them. Now, on to quantum computing. This one's still a bit like a sci fi concept, but trust me, it's happening. Unlike regular computers, quantum computers use qubits. These can be in multiple states at once, making them super fast at crunching huge amount of data. Here's the cool part. Supply chains are complicated. You've got all these suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, and retailers trying to work together to make method optimization, to make everything go smoothly. They get slow and crunchy when you're dealing with global supply chains. But quantum computing, it can solve these problems insanely fast. We're talking about real time solutions for everything from transport routes to inventory management. It means less waiting, fewer hiccups, and more accurate predictions. And the best part, quantum computers can process massive amount of data. That means they can help businesses predict demand, spot potential issues before they become problems, and keep inventory levels perfect across all their locations. Oh, and security is a big deal too. Quantum encryption could make cyber attacks a thing of the past by offering unbreakable protection for sensitive data, something every company needs. Now imagine this: robots in a warehouse collecting data and feeding it to a quantum computer. The computer takes all that info and gives real time suggestions for better supply chain decisions, whether it's automating production or syncing up raw materials. This robot quantum duo will make supply chains faster and more efficient. What's next? Here's where it gets even better. As robotics keep getting smarter, they'll take one more complex task and work alongside humans. Quantum computing, on the other hand, will keep making supply chains more efficient and dynamic in ways we can't even imagine. The bottom line, the future of SCM is faster, cheaper, and way more resilient. If companies can embrace this take, they'd be ahead of the game in a world that's constantly changing. With robotics and quantum computing, the entire way products get from point A to point B is about to get a major upgrade. Until next time, have a good one. Maria Johnsen is signing out.